Welcome to Stockholm, the capital of Sweden and one of the world's most enchanting cities. Known for its blend of history, stunning architecture, and vibrant culture, Stockholm has something for everyone. It's located on the Scandinavian peninsula at the point marked by the red arrow. Join us as we take you through the city's most iconic sites, offering a guide to help you make the most of your visit to this Nordic gem. Stockholm is the capital and largest city in Sweden, and it's also the most expansive urban area in Scandinavia. The city stretches across 14 islands, where Lake Mälaren meets the Baltic Sea, creating a scenic backdrop of waterways and lush greenery. About 30% of the city is made up of water, and another 30% consists of parks and green spaces, making Stockholm both a nature lover's paradise and a bustling metropolis. With a population of nearly 1 million in the city and 2.4 million in the surrounding metropolitan area, Stockholm is both a thriving urban hub and a serene escape into nature. Dating back to 1252, Stockholm was founded by Birger Jarl and grew to become Sweden's most significant city by the late 13th century. Over the centuries, it evolved as Sweden's political center and royal residence, often targeted in various historical conflicts. Celebrated as a hero, King Gustav Vasa reclaimed the city from Danish rule in 1523, which marked a new era of growth. The mid-17th century saw Stockholm's rapid development as Sweden's influence expanded. Fires in the 18th century prompted the rebuilding of the city, with stone structures replacing many wooden buildings. By the 19th century, Stockholm emerged as an economic powerhouse and became the center of Sweden's culture and sciences. Today, Stockholm is home to prestigious institutions like the Stockholm School of Economics and hosts the annual Nobel Prize ceremonies at the Stockholm Concert Hall and City Hall. The city's transport system is well connected, making it easy to navigate its many neighborhoods. Södermalm has a relaxed, creative vibe. Östermalm offers an air of elegance, and the central district of Norrmalm is lively and bustling. South of Norrmalm, the Old Town, Gamla Stan, is a charming district with winding streets, traditional shops, and historical landmarks dating back to the 1200s. A visit to Stockholm's Old Town feels like stepping into a living museum, where every corner reveals a piece of history. Here, you can explore medieval streets lined with souvenir shops, cozy cafes, and boutique stores. At the heart of the Old Town is Stockholm's Royal Palace, the official residence of the Swedish monarchy. Built in the 18th century in Baroque style, it is one of the largest palaces in Europe, with over 600 rooms and multiple museums. Marvel at treasures like Queen Christina's silver throne and the royal armory as you walk through halls steeped in history. Djurgården, a verdant island in central Stockholm, serves as a tranquil escape. This island, part of the Royal National City Park, offers scenic spots for picnics and leisurely strolls, particularly during the summer. Djurgården is also home to several museums and attractions, making it a popular spot for both locals and tourists. Among these attractions, Skansen stands out as the world's oldest open-air museum, offering a unique glimpse into Swedish history with its recreated traditional houses and workshops. Stockholm's City Hall is a must-see landmark. This impressive red brick building, adorned with 3 golden crowns, is a symbol of the city. Inside, you'll find assembly rooms, offices, and artistic masterpieces. Each year, City Hall hosts the Nobel Banquet, one of Sweden's most prestigious events. Don't miss the chance to climb the tower for an exceptional panoramic view of Stockholm. Beyond the city center, Stockholm has several attractions for those willing to explore further. One is Drottningholm Palace, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and the official residence of the Swedish royal family. Located on the island of Levon, this 17th century palace features stunning Baroque architecture, lush gardens, and a theater dating back to 1766. It's an ideal day trip destination for a blend of history and natural beauty. Fjällgatan, located on the island of Södermalm, offers one of the best panoramic views of the city and the archipelago. It's a scenic walk where you can admire the urban landscape, and nearby you can find cozy cafes that serve Swedish pastries like kanelbullar, cinnamon rolls. Stockholm and its surroundings boast Viking historical sites, such as the Historiska Museum. Here, visitors can explore Sweden's Viking history through artifacts, ship models, and ancient relics, discovering the importance of this civilization in the Scandinavian context. Strandvägen is one of Stockholm's most beautiful avenues, running along the waterfront and offering a splendid view of the docked boats and elegant buildings. It's a great area for a relaxing stroll or a break at a cafe overlooking the sea. Located on the island of Djurgården, Sroyalpalace is a 19th-century architectural marvel surrounded by blooming gardens. It's an enchanting spot to visit, especially during the warm season, with greenhouses and cafes immersed in nature. Kungsträdgården, known as the King's Garden, is one of Stockholm's oldest parks. During spring, the park is famous for its spectacular cherry blossoms, creating a natural display that attracts visitors and photographers alike. It also hosts concerts and festivals throughout the year. Stockholm is surrounded by an archipelago of over 30,000 islands, many of which are accessible by ferry. Adventure enthusiasts can enjoy kayaking, hiking, and camping on these islands for an authentic experience in close contact with Swedish nature. For a deep dive into maritime history, the Vasa Museum is a must. Housing the well-preserved Vasa warship, which sank on its maiden voyage in 1628, this museum attracts over 1 million visitors each year. The Vasa stands as an awe-inspiring piece of history and a testament to Swedish naval power. A boat trip through Stockholm's archipelago offers a stunning perspective of the city. This network of islands offers a weekend escape for many Stockholm residents, who often own summer houses here. Visitors can embark on scenic cruises along the Royal Canal or under Stockholm's bridges, with cruises running all year. Stockholm's Skyview, located at the Ericsson Globe, provides a modern marvel of the cityscape. A ride in a glass gondola takes visitors to the top of the spherical structure, offering a unique view of Stockholm's skyline from 130 meters above sea level. Another fascinating aspect of Stockholm is its subway system, which doubles as the world's longest art exhibit. Each of its 100 stations features unique murals, sculptures, and installations that span artistic eras from the 1950s to the present day. A subway journey through Stockholm is a journey through art itself. Art lovers will find Fotografiska, Stockholm's renowned photography museum, an enriching stop. Located on the waterfront, Fotografiska offers cutting-edge exhibitions that showcase both international and Swedish photography. Its cafe and restaurant offer fantastic views of the harbor, making it an inspiring place to relax after exploring the exhibits. For those interested in Sweden's rich maritime heritage, a visit to the Maritime Museum on Djurgården is worthwhile. Here, visitors can discover ship models, navigation instruments, and artifacts detailing Sweden's seafaring history. The museum offers hands-on experiences and family-friendly exhibits, ideal for visitors of all ages. If you're seeking panoramic views of Stockholm, Monteliusvägen is a scenic walking path on Södermalm that overlooks Lake Mälaren. With viewpoints along the path, it's a popular spot for photographers and those looking to capture Stockholm's skyline, especially at sunset. Stockholm hosts a variety of events and festivals throughout the year. From the Stockholm Jazz Festival, famous for live music performances, to the celebration of Midsummer, one of Sweden's most cherished traditions, there's always an interesting event to attend. Did you enjoy this Stockholm City Guide? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on our next adventure. Be sure to explore other videos on DSV Travel Trip for more exciting travel inspiration.